Hey guys, this is a short little video doing a little troubleshooting. How to test the torque sensor on your Yamaha Grizzly 550 and 700 models. With the EPS unit, you're going to find the plug with the 4 wires coming out of it. You want to get to the red wire and the black wire right here in the plug. You may need to use needles to plug in. And we have a red and black plugged in right here. You're going to turn your multimeter to the 1000s and connect these up here. And if all is okay, you should have a reading of in between 1.00 and 1.50. So as you can see, this one here is good. So that's how to test your torque sensor. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like if you found it helpful, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one.